Hello. I woke up today. I'm going to show you to this. See? 2 a.m. 2:12 a.m. I woke up to a new customer sign up in .ws or GDI, Global Domains International. You see, a lot of times this is happening as I'm sleeping. My system is working, and that's true automation, and when others can use it too and are having success. That is the best way, is how you make money while you sleep, is you need a system that's working for you. My funnel system has 10 capture pages, and then it goes to a bridge page, and then it has an email series of over 300 emails, and then this is the sales page. Okay, very easy setup. This goes into GDI. This talks about the system. Step 1, sign up for GDI. Step 2, join LeadSleep. This is your marketing system, and it also gives you traffic. So it's very important to follow the steps on how to set that up. It's a very reasonable cost. This is how you set up here. So with $10 traffic is $10 a month buyer traffic. And then we'll go here. Okay. See, it's all set up in the system. It's budget-friendly traffic. Okay. These right here are ones that you really should be in, and these are all budget-friendly. Okay. This one is only a one-time $18 to do, and you get traffic forever. And this is buyer traffic. This is $7 a month, and you get 2 different safe lists with that when you do that. This one, I get upgrades I get leads that, of course, will lead for some of them to upgrades later on. This one is a really good deal too. This one I've used for years. Is really good. And of course, if you hadn't signed up for GDI from the first page, you get to do it again. This is budget-friendly, hands-free traffic right here. And then this is the solo ad traffic. This is the best, most affordable solo ad traffic that I have found. Okay, is this right here. This is my number 1. This is good. You just have to be careful with the people. And then there's Traffic Co-op and Traffic Exchange. These are the only ones that I trust right now. Okay, so this is what it means to be automated, to work just a couple hours a day and to be earning and building your team while you sleep. As you wake up and you have, right there you can see SendSteed is the autoresponder. That's got 14. Here's a LeadSleep referral. Here's a Traffic Co-op. There's another affiliate there. You can see the opt-ins right here. Okay, the system works, but you do have to send traffic. You do have to drive traffic. Okay, so click the link below and get a closer look today. God bless. And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share.